Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new in my vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So for today's video guys, I will show you on how to purchase in Amazon using Tamara. So just follow my screen recorder and I will show you on how to purchase Amazon using Tamara payment application. And after that one guys, for me is I have already in my cart. So I will open my cart and I will show you on how to purchase using by Tamara. So this one guys, I purchased this Cashomens 59 AAD, then Cashomens Watch 98.15, and the another one guys is 100 plus. So 103 is the total of 200 plus. So we will pay this one via Tamara's and split payment. So we will select the item you would like to purchase from the Amazon, and it will deliver after 1 to 2 days, like that. So I have 3 items in my cart, so I need to buy this one. So if you want to buy that item, that one is correct. So proceed buy 3 items. So guys, you can see here, you can pay via cards, Tabi, and Tamara. So for me guys, I don't have Tabi, so I'm using Tamara. So we will click this Tamara, then so we can see the charges and the installment, how much we pay in month. So guys, we need to pay 65.36 times 4 months payment. So we need to make a down payment of 65. Then after that one guys, click then join this Prime membership. No, thanks. Just click that no thanks. Then continue application. So total is 261. The shipping charge is 10 dirham. Then total payment is 271.43. Then shipping fee less 10 dirham. Then total amount will pay is 261. So split payment by Tamara. So click that one by Tamara. So after that one guys is we can go in the Tamara page. So we need to put our mobile number registered in Tamara. Then after that one guys, we receive OTP, then we need to put that one OTP so that we can proceed. Okay guys, so as we can see guys, we can see the due date, first payment 65.38, then the second is August 1, the third is September, then the fourth one is October. So pay by 4. So you need to pay first down payment first month, then after that one guys, continuous monthly. So for me guys in Tamara, I have fixed bill that every first of the month. So continue guys for the payment. Make sure that you have balance in your card link in your Tamara. So as you can see guys, this one is processing payment. So now payment success. So our payment in Amazon, we are redirected because our payment is already successful. So being delivered to the address that you provided, and they will call you on your mobile number are registered in your Amazon. So guys, if you like this video, please comment down below and please share to your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.